St. Thomas people and Jamaicans gather here. You won't believe this one. Michelle Charles. Yes, the same one who campaigned on Choose Jamaica lost the election, and the next thing you know, she's back in Florida living her best life. Now tell me, is that love for country or love for comfort? Or should I ask, did she choose Jamaica?
Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what it really means. To choose Jamaica, choose JLP.
Let's get straight to it. This is the part where we all wake up to. Don't let shiny campaigns and green t-shirts blind you. Because when the lights go out, the true colors show, and they're not black, green, and gold, they're red, white, and blue. While the people of Jamaica are struggling with crime, poverty, and broken promises, the ones who claim to love the nation are sipping Starbucks in Orlando, posting selfies and saying they miss this place so much. Missed what, Michelle Charles? The good roads, Walmart, Macy's, and all the good stuff America has to offer? The love you couldn't give your own people? Family, let's talk about this double standard circus once and for all. Michelle Charles, the same woman who shouted "Choose Jamaica" on every platform, loses the election and boom, she's back in Florida, feet up, smiling for TikTok on Instagram. So Michelle jumps on TikTok with her fancy post saying, "Back home in Orlando, miss this place so much. House needs a little TLC, but so do I. Blessed to be back." And she uploads smiling photos. Sunshine, pretty houses, fresh nails, good vibes. Like Jamaica never even existed. But hold on, when it was election time, she was all about prosperity, nation building, and stay the course and choose Jamaica. Now that she's lost, she's not building Jamaica anymore. She's rebuilding her Florida home. What a joke. Let's be real. The only thing Michelle Charles built in Jamaica was her name recognition and a few campaign photo ops. When it was time to fight for the people, she fought for the plane ticket. This is what you call selective patriotism. They wave the Jamaican flag when it's convenient, but the moment they lose power, they wave the American one. And here's the part that really burns Michelle Charles has dual citizenship. She never declared it. And the hypocrisy doesn't stop there. Matthew Samuda, sitting pretty in Parliament, also holds dual citizenship. He never gave it up. Still collecting his salary, still passing laws, still sitting under Holness's watch. Tell me, isn't that barefaced politics? But Andrew Holness and his crew spent months dragging Mark Golding for being British by parents calling him unfit to lead Jamaica. So tell me again, what do you call that? Hypocrisy at the highest level. When it's Mark Golding, it's a scandal. When it's Michelle Charles, it's silence. Because apparently loyalty to Jamaica only matters if you're in the PNP. Let's not forget Mark Golding stayed. He never ran. He didn't abandon his country when times got hard. But Michelle Charles lost her seat and disappeared faster than a JUTC bus after 6 p.m. And the saddest part? The Jamaican people were fooled again. Andrew Holness said, "Choose Jamaica. Believe in Jamaica, build Jamaica." But his team is choosing foreign, believing in comfort, and building Florida. This is Michy Dex commentary, where we don't sugarcoat corruption or hypocrisy, we call it out. Like, share, and subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Did Michelle Charles betray the same country she claimed to love? Because actions speak louder than campaign speeches, and this action screams, Jamaica was just a stepping stone. See you in the next one, family. Stay woke, stay bold, stay true.